Hello friends, it's lunch time. Today I'm going to tell you about A and concept for kids. How we introduce A and with kids of early learning. So let's check out the method. A always goes to consonants and always goes to vowels. Example: and plus vowels, and apple, and glue, and orange, and umbrella. Here A, I, O, U are vowel sound. So before initial letter A, I, O, U, always use an. And the other side, A always goes to consonants. A bear, a cake, a dog, a fish. Here B, C, D, F are consonants. So before the initial letter B, C, D, F, always use A. Is that helpful? Then please like and subscribe for such more knowledge. Thank you so much.